Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Katrina. My job is to help you speak and read Mandarin with confidence and joy. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about one of the most commonly asked questions, how to use the in Mandarin Chinese. Yes, three of them, they all sound "the" in Mandarin Chinese, but the character, they look differently. Let's first talk about this "the" in Mandarin Chinese. This "the" in Mandarin Chinese function as like in English apostrophe S. We also call that possession "the." Let me give you some example. 我的家人 my family. 我爱我的 my 家人 family. 我的家人 my family. Next. 那是我的书，那是 that is 我的 my 书，那是我的书。他是谁的老板？他是 he is 谁 who 谁的 whose 老板 boss 他是谁的老板？Whose boss is he? So as you can see from the above examples, the is used as apostrophe s, possession the. The next usage of the is function as adjectives. So you need to use the descriptive words or sentence in front of the and then to modify the noun. So it's descriptive sentence, words, and the noun. That's the structure. 漂亮的房子，漂亮 beautiful， 漂亮的 beautiful 房子 house. So as you can see that 漂亮 is beautiful, but you cannot say 漂亮房子. No, you need to use the together to modify 房子 house. 漂亮的房子，聪明的孩子，聪明 smart. So you cannot use 聪明 to modify 孩子 kids. You need a the there. So 聪明的孩子 to modify kids. 可爱的小狗，可爱 cute 的小狗。So 小狗 is little dog, and we use 可爱 cute to modify 小狗，可爱的小狗。Even verb in front of the to modify the noun. For example, 戴帽子的人，戴帽子。So 戴帽子 is to wear hat. 的人 meaning people or person. So here, as you can see, 戴帽子 the whole thing modify people or person, which means the person who wears a hat. 戴帽子的人，教中文的老师，教中文 teach Mandarin Chinese 的老师，老师 is teacher. So in this case, you're modifying the teacher. What kind of teacher? The teacher who teach Mandarin Chinese. So 教中文 modify 老师，教中文的老师。做菜的男人，做菜 meaning to cook. 男人 meaning man. So man who cooks, right? 做菜的 modify 男人 so the man who cook. So now let's talk about the second the, which is this one. So how do we use this the? So the structure is you have to put a verb. So this the has to be after a verb. So the verb and the. And then description, complement, results. Since this the is after the verb, so it shows that how the action is being delivered. I know it sounds a little bit confusing. Let me give you some example. 我吃饭吃得比较慢，你们别等我。I eat comparatively slowly. Don't wait for me. 我吃饭吃得比较慢。So 吃饭 to eat. 吃 is the verb. So verb 的吃的比较 comparatively 比较慢 comparatively slow. 你们 you guys 别等我. This is the thing that I often say because usually I eat comparatively slowly. So I usually just tell my friend when we were eating, I say 我吃饭吃得比较慢，你们别等我。Don't wait for me, just finish your meal. 你们别等我。Next example, 你说话说得那么快干嘛？ 急什么？你说话 speak 说的 You see here is the verb 说的 verb and 的那么快 so fast 干嘛？干嘛 here is the colloquial way to ask why. Why are you talking so fast? 急 meaning rush. So 急什么 meaning what's the rush? 你说话说的那么快干嘛？急什么？ Why are you talking so fast? What's the rush? 急什么？你想得美，中乐透没那么简单。You wish it's not that easy to win the lottery. 你想得美，想 meaning to think, and then 的 so verb 的。美 is the adjective, so I'm talking about you think too beautifully. 想得美 actually it's a phrase that you can remember. It means you wish. 你想得美 You wish. 你想得美。中乐透中乐透 meaning to get the lottery, to win the lottery. 没那么简单 It's not as easy as you think. Next one. 你做得好 You're doing well. Well done. 你做 the verb 的好 So how is to modify the quality of the action. So you did well. So when you're using verb and the complement, adjective, or result, it's usually to describe the quality of the action. Also, there's another way to use the. The structure is adjective, the, plus result or plus statement. I will translate this structure as to so. Let me give you some examples. 最近天气热得我不想吃饭。最近 recently 天气的 weather 热 too hot 热的我不想吃饭 So the result is 我不想吃饭 I don't want to eat. Why? Because it's hot 热的我不想吃饭热的我不想吃饭 It's too hot so I don't want to eat. Next example 我累的每天只想回家睡觉 So I 我累 is the adjective 我累的每天 every day 只想回家睡觉 Only would like to go home and sleep. So the statement is 只想回家睡觉 I only want to go home and sleep. Why? Because I am so tired. I'm so tired, so I just want to go home and sleep. Alright, now on to the last de of Mandarin Chinese, this de. So this de is mainly to describe how something has happened. So the structure is adjective, the, and the verb. Let me give you some examples. 他仔细地听老师说话。他仔细地听老师说话。他仔细 careful and in detail 听 to listen 老师说话 So 听老师说话 is listen to the teacher but how he listened to the teacher 仔细的他仔细的听老师说话 So it's like the adjective in English carefully, detailedly listen to the teacher. Next example 我兴奋地告诉他这个消息我兴奋 excited 兴奋的 then the action 告诉他 to tell him 这个消息 this news 他们每天努力的工作 they every day 努力 diligently 努力的工作 work diligently 他们每天努力的工作 Alright, I hope so far you know how to use da in Mandarin Chinese. I do have some tests for you to see how well you understand how to use da. Are you ready? Let's get started. 他小心地抱着孩子 is holding the child carefully. 小心的 What's the answer of this 的 Number 2. 你吃的太多了 别再吃了。You ate too much. 你吃的太多了，别再吃了。What is that 的？Number 3, 你说话说的太大声了。You talk too loud. 你说话说的太大声了。Which 的 is that? Number 4, 我昨天放在冰箱的啤酒不见了。The beer that I put in the fridge yesterday is gone. 我昨天放在冰箱里的啤酒不见了。So make sure to write down the full answer duh in the comment below. And if you want to download the worksheet of this lesson and check out the answer of the quiz of this lesson, the link is in the description. You can download the worksheet in the description link. The link is time limited, so make sure you download it as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this lesson, and don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me everywhere. Listen to my podcast, watch all other old video lessons. That's all for today, and I will see you next time. 我们下次见，再见。